Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of sorting algorithms and specifically explore the QuickSort algorithm. I'll be walking you through a simple implementation in C step by step and explaining how it works. We have a C program here that implements the QuickSort algorithm. The code is divided into three main functions: swap, partition, and QuickSort, along with the main function where we initialize an array and call the QuickSort function. Let's start by looking at the swap function. The swap function takes two integer pointers as parameters and swaps the values they point to. This function is a simple utility that we'll use in our QuickSort algorithm to exchange elements. The partition function is a crucial part of QuickSort. It takes an array R and two indices low and high. It selects a pivot element in this case, the element at the highest index high. The goal is to rearrange the array such that all elements less than the pivot are on the left, and all elements greater are on the right. The function uses a loop to iterate through the array, and when it finds an element smaller than the pivot, it swaps it with the element at index I, which represents the border between smaller and greater elements. Finally, it swaps the pivot to its correct position and returns the index where the pivot is placed. The QuickSort function is the heart. And there you have it. That's a step-by-step breakdown of a simple QuickSort implementation in C. I hope this helps you understand the algorithm better. I provide the complete code GitHub link in description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.